Today I'm going to be showing you a pack opening. I'm probably going to spend like 100K on this. Depends. If I feel like I should, whoops, my bad. If I get some good pulls, I might go for some more. Alright, so, first pack. John Beeson as the gold player. I'm hoping to get an elite, at least maybe one or two. If I do, that would be really awesome. But if not, Jason Verrett, 93 speed, not bad. If not, then oh well. But yeah, I'm hoping for an elite or an elite collectible. Daniel Manning. Oh. So far nothing. 3 packs opened. Pack number 4. James Brewer. Matt Khalil. I could probably sell him for like 8, 9K. Maybe. Pack number 5. Still no elites. Ooh, 79 cornerback. I need him. Cortez Allen. Okay. So I've had one decent player that I actually needed. EJ Manuel. Oh, I don't need you. I already have a quarterback. I really want an elite. Maybe an elite, like, running back. No elites in this pack. Earl Wolf. Nothing. 77 offensive guard. That could probably sell decent money. Oh. Still nothing. Ooh! Alan Hearns. Football Outsider. Second among week 9 wide receivers with 67 DYAR. Finished with 112 yards, receiving and 2 touchdowns. Good speed. I need speed receivers. Nick Folk. Hoping for an elite, like a Sanders, Ryan Schrader, I think. Richie Incognito. Oh, a punter. I don't need him though. Let's see. I really want an elite, but probably won't happen. Jarrell Freeman. Good pursuit. Next pack. Hoping maybe for like a better safety or corner, but like I already got a 79 corner, but I need probably someone better. Oh, you know, I'm just gonna go over the 100K trying to get that elite. But yeah, it would be good to get a good running back or corner. Victor Cruz, don't need him. Could probably sell him for a decent amount. Next pack. Come on. Get an elite here. Nope, no elite. John Beeson again. I got him in like the first pack, bronze trophy. I got a lot of those. Ooh, I could DeBrickashaw. I could sell him for a decent amount. Terrell Pryor. Come on, next pack. I really want an elite though. That would really help me out. All these low 70s gold. I need high 70s or low 80s. Jacquizz Rodgers. Oh, next pack. Hoping for something good here. Ooh, Jeremy Hill, Team of the Week. 90 speed, 94 carry, 93 acceleration. That's pretty good. I think I could get some decent money off of him. Next pack. Alright, let's go. Ooh, Matt Forte collectible. Update team too. Better be something. Oh, yes. Yes. That's good. I need him. I could sell Kelvin Benjamin for a lot then. Oh, that was a pretty good pack right there. Bronze trophy. Oh my gosh. Yes. I think I already have one of him. I think I got one earlier today in a different pack. But yeah, he might go for some decent money. Next pack, not bad. Even though I haven't gotten an elite, not that bad of packs. Ooh, Manny Lawson. Silver trophy. Not bad, not bad. Probably like 3 more packs to go. Zach Brown. Sheriff, I don't know, Sheriff Floyd, I don't know. Sorry if I said that wrong. Oh. Alright. Oh, let's go. Cecil Shorts, not that bad. But I'm pretty strong with the wide receivers. I have Julio Jones and Anquan Boldin. So, alright. Next pack. Will Hill, Michael Otto, Chris Polk, Trey Mason, and Troy Kropog. Sorry if I said that wrong. Alright. So, pretty decent packs. Could have been better. Can't complain though. Got a collectible of Matt Forte. Got a 93 kick returner. Can't complain with that. So let's see. Julian Edelman can come out. Oh yeah, Allen Hearns. Swap them out. Defense. Yeah, see, I already had Dan Williams. I got 2 of the same guy. Nolan there, and then Travis Benjamin. Oh, there we go. Earlier, off camera, I pulled this Derek Johnson in a pro pack. It was pretty exciting because usually I don't pull elites, so that's why I was hoping an elite for those in those packs. But can't complain. And I got this DeMarcus Ware earlier this morning. Decent stats. And then I also got this Frank Gore this morning. I think I'm gonna put out Theo Riddick, put in Jeremy Hill. They're like back and forth with their stats, but yeah, I'm probably gonna put in Jeremy Hill. So thanks for watching.